Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well and that you all had a great week. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Donna Vincent. I'm a nutrition coach. I'm a certified pet food nutrition specialist. I'm here to help you live a healthier life. Are you missing this important step and losing some of the health benefits of broccoli? That's what I'll be talking about in this broadcast. Welcome. I appreciate everyone for jumping on. Let me know where you're all watching from. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is very important to our bodies. It activates an NRF2 pathway in our body, which allows our body to create its own antioxidant enzymes. This means that we're able to slow down cellular aging. Think about it as slowing down internal rusting in our body. It will help decrease inflammation. Sulforaphane also helps protect our brain, helps protect our eyesight, protects us against free radicals, as well as cancer protection. But if you forget this one step with broccoli, you could be losing some of these benefits. There's also a combination of herbs that you can take that will activate the NRF2 pathway in your body as well. If you'd like to learn more about these herbs, reach out to me. These are actually much more powerful than sulforaphane itself. Here's the step that you don't want to miss when it comes to broccoli. First, you want to wash your broccoli, whether it's organic or conventional, you always want to wash it. Then you want to chop the broccoli and let it sit for about 40 minutes to activate the sulforaphane. If you just chop it up and throw it in a pan, this sulforaphane doesn't have time to activate. So you'll be losing those benefits of decreasing inflammation, cancer protection. Frozen broccoli. The enzymes are dead in frozen broccoli. Sulforaphane cannot be made if it's frozen broccoli because frozen is flash cooked for the purpose of deactivating the enzymes for longer shelf life. So no matter how long you let frozen broccoli sit out, you can chop it up as much as you want. You can let it sit out as long as you want. But if it's been frozen, this enzyme is dead. Sulforaphane cannot be made. When it comes to cooking, the best way is lightly steaming it or stir frying it. You want to avoid boiling because boiling will leach the nutrients out into the water. So you're losing the nutrients in the water. And you want to avoid microwaving. I hope this has been helpful. Were you aware that you were supposed to let your broccoli sit for about 40 minutes before cooking it, or you lose some of the health benefits? Please share this with others if you got value from it. If you'd like to learn more about the herbal combination that can also help you decrease inflammation in your body, will also help you slow down that internal rusting, reach out to me. Have a great weekend, everyone. Again, my name is Donna Vincent, here to help you live a longer life. I'll talk to you all again soon.